Hey guys, Connor here to share with you some of my favorite beard products I use to keep this clean, soft, and conditioned. Maintaining my beard is an important part of my everyday routine. Since the hair on your face is different than the hair on your head, it's important to use a product designed for facial hair. For example, my beard, it's thick, it's tough, and of course, glorious. My go-to products, the CREMO Beard Face Wash, the CREMO Beard and Scruff Softener. Think of these like shampoo and conditioner, but for your beard. It only takes about a minute total to use these. Really easy to keep my beard healthy, smelling great, and touchably soft. I wash every day with CREMO Beard Face Wash. It is not shampoo. If you use shampoo on your beard, you'll strip moisture and likely irritate your skin underneath. This is designed specifically for beards. It's tough enough for coarse facial hair, yet gentle enough for daily use. I usually use it at the sink while washing my face. Just apply a quarter size amount to an already damp beard, work through the facial hair for about 30 seconds, and rinse out. This is one of my favorites, Beard and Scruff Softener. It acts as the beard conditioner for beards of all lengths. So when my beard isn't as long as it is now, I can still use it. It soothes and softens in a snap. All I do is pour a quarter size amount in my palm to my beard and work through my beard like this. After about 30 seconds, I rinse it out and pat my beard dry. This is easy to use, and when I don't use it often, I really notice my beard doesn't feel as soft. So there you have it. Two of my favorite and easy ways to keep my beard looking its best. For more beard care tips and tricks, hit the subscribe button below.